Justice, you do not lick your brother's wiener. No, no. We do not do that in this household. Good boys. Justice up. Justice, let's go. Justice, let's go. Let's go. Wrong way. Justice, sit. That works too. Good boy. Justice, stay. Good stay, Justice. Good stay. Justice, okay. Boys, sit. Good boys. Good boys. Justice, lay down. Good boy, Bruce Wayne. Good boy, Justice. Good boys. Justice up. Justice, let's go. Let's go, Justice. Justice, let's go. Justice. Yeah. Sit. Good sit. It's like, I think he's just predicting I'm going to go to the next command, so he lays down. Good boy, Bruce Wayne. You didn't have to even come over here, though. No, you didn't. Good boys. Okay. All right. Go live your life. Go on. Look at that respect. Good boys. Big French kiss.
From Dog Mom doing drills to
Dog Mom plating up some meats so that the boys can eat a hearty raw dinner. Keep them healthy.
you weren't
Keep 'em
kidding. It's
happy.
expensive to feed these boys. Around
It
like,
is so
around $1,000 a month. Pretty close.
It's very expensive.
800 to $1,000.
Yeah. I'm still nice and satisfied from my sushi, but I'll probably make some dinner here pretty soon too. And we are, would you say we're kind of dorky for liking this show?
No, we're awesome.
Oh.
We love the show alone.
We love the show alone, and we believe
got Hulu.
we just got Hulu, which is kind of a big deal for us. So we're like in our heyday, getting wild watching Hulu and loving it.
Yes. We only have this season left, and then we've seen them all.
All of the seasons
Yeah,
of
this is
Alone.
season 5. We already seen 6, 7, 8 earlier. We've
Wait,
seen
do
1
we
and
have
2.
one more after this or no?
No.
I want to just rewatch them all. I like it so much.
I hear you. I know. I'm sad.
It's like a good show to like kind of
Wind
just
down
like
to.
wind down, but I do get into it because I'm like always rooting for people.
Yeah.